For millennia, humans have gazed at the night sky with a sense of wonder and curiosity. The vast expanse above us has always been a source of inspiration and mystery. From the earliest civilizations to modern times, the night sky has captivated our imaginations and driven us to seek answers about our existence in the universe. The stars, in their fixed patterns, and the wandering planets held profound meaning for our ancestors. They saw stories and myths written in the constellations, guiding their understanding of the world and their place within it. The movements of these celestial bodies were meticulously recorded and studied, forming the foundation of early astronomical knowledge. Astrology, the belief that celestial bodies influence human affairs, emerged from this fascination. It was more than just a pseudoscience. It was a way for ancient people to make sense of the cosmos and their lives. Astrologers were revered as wise individuals who could interpret the will of the heavens and provide guidance based on the positions of the stars and planets. While often relegated to the realm of esoteric practices, astrology reflects an innate human desire to understand our place in the cosmos. It bridges the gap between the tangible and the mystical, offering a framework for interpreting the universe's influence on our daily lives. Even in modern times, many people turn to astrology for insights and comfort, seeking patterns and meanings in the stars. It speaks to a deep-seated yearning for connection with the universe and its rhythms. The cycles of the moon, the changing positions of the planets, and the constellations' eternal dance all resonate with our intrinsic need to feel part of something greater. This connection is not just spiritual but also emotional, providing a sense of belonging and continuity. Today, as scientific understanding advances, we are beginning to unravel the tangible links between celestial phenomena and life on Earth. The study of astrophysics and space science has revealed how solar activity, planetary alignments, and cosmic events can impact our planet's environment and even our biological rhythms. This growing body of knowledge bridges the gap between ancient beliefs and modern science. While horoscopes and birth charts might seem like mere superstition to some, they hint at a deeper truth. The cosmos does influence our planet in profound ways. The gravitational pull of the moon affects ocean tides, solar flares can disrupt communication systems, and the Earth's magnetic field interacts with solar winds, creating stunning auroras. These phenomena remind us that we are part of a dynamic and interconnected universe. We are not isolated beings, but rather children of the stars, interconnected with the vast universe that surrounds us. Our very existence is tied to the cosmos, from the stardust that forms our bodies to the cosmic forces that shape our world. This profound connection invites us to explore and understand our place in the grand tapestry of the universe. This essay delves into the emerging field of astrogeophysics, exploring the scientific basis for the influence of celestial bodies on life, particularly through the lens of geomagnetism. By studying the interactions between the Earth's magnetic field and solar activity, scientists are uncovering new insights into how cosmic events can affect our planet's climate, ecosystems, and even human health. This interdisciplinary field bridges the gap between astronomy and earth sciences, offering a holistic view of our place in the cosmos. Dr. Percy Seymour, a respected British astrophysicist, dedicated his career to bridging the gap between astrology and conventional science. His groundbreaking work has left an indelible mark on the scientific community, challenging long-held beliefs and opening new pathways for understanding the universe. Seymour's work focused on the intricate relationship between celestial mechanics, solar activity, and their impact on Earth's geomagnetic field. He meticulously studied the movements of celestial bodies and their potential influences on solar phenomena, aiming to uncover the hidden connections that bind the cosmos and our planet. He proposed a compelling theory that links planetary alignments with increased solar activity, ultimately influencing life on our planet. According to Seymour, these alignments could act as cosmic triggers, setting off a chain reaction that affects solar behavior and, consequently, the Earth's environment. Seymour argued that the gravitational forces exerted by planets, particularly during specific alignments, could influence the Sun's internal dynamics. These forces, though subtle, might be enough to alter the Sun's magnetic field, leading to observable changes in solar activity. This influence, he posited, would lead to changes in solar activity, such as the frequency and intensity of sunspots and solar flares. By understanding these patterns, Seymour believed we could better predict solar events and their potential impacts on Earth, from climate variations to technological disruptions. Seymour's work challenged the traditional boundaries between scientific disciplines, suggesting that a more holistic understanding of the cosmos is necessary to grasp the complexities of life on Earth. He advocated for a multidisciplinary approach, bringing together experts from various fields to explore the interconnected nature of celestial and terrestrial phenomena. His research opened new avenues for exploring the interconnectedness of celestial phenomena and their impact on our planet. By bridging the gap between astrology and conventional science, Seymour's theories have paved the way for a deeper appreciation of the cosmic forces that shape our world. His legacy continues to inspire scientists to look beyond traditional boundaries and seek a more comprehensive understanding of the universe and our place within it. The solar system is a dynamic and interconnected system, with each celestial body constantly interacting through gravitational forces. These interactions are not just limited to the planets themselves, but extend to the Sun, the central star that holds the entire system together. The gravitational forces exerted by the planets on the Sun create a complex web of influences that shape the behavior and activity of our star. Planetary alignments, while seemingly rare occurrences from our Earth-centric perspective, are an integral part of this cosmic dance. These alignments occur when planets line up in a straight line or come into specific geometric configurations. Although they may appear infrequent, they are predictable events that have been studied for centuries. The gravitational forces during these alignments can have profound effects on the Sun, influencing its magnetic field and activity levels. Seymour's theory posits that these alignments can amplify the gravitational effects on the Sun. According to this theory, when multiple planets align, their combined gravitational pull can create significant tidal forces within the Sun's plasma. This idea is supported by mathematical models and simulations that show how the gravitational forces of aligned planets can interact with the Sun's internal dynamics. The combined gravitational pull of planets aligned on the same side of the Sun, for instance, could create tidal forces within the Sun's plasma. These tidal forces are similar to the ocean tides on Earth, but on a much larger and more powerful scale. The Sun's plasma, a hot ionized gas, responds to these gravitational forces by moving and shifting, creating waves and currents within the Sun. These tidal forces, though subtle, could have significant effects on the Sun's magnetic field, leading to increased solar activity. The movement of the Sun's plasma can twist and stretch the magnetic field lines, causing them to reconnect and release energy. This process can result in solar flares, coronal mass ejections, and other forms of solar activity that can have far-reaching effects throughout the solar system. Imagine the Sun as a giant ocean, and the planets as celestial bodies creating tides within it. Just as the Moon's gravity influences tides on Earth, the gravitational forces of the planets can create tides within the Sun. These solar tides can stir the Sun's plasma, affecting its magnetic field and leading to changes in solar activity. Just as the moon's gravity influences tides on Earth, planetary alignments could create tides within the sun, stirring its magnetic field and leading to increased sunspot activity and solar flares. Sunspots are regions of intense magnetic activity on the sun's surface, and their number and size can be influenced by the gravitational forces of the planets. Solar flares, which are sudden bursts of energy, can also be triggered by these gravitational interactions. These solar events, in turn, have a direct impact on Earth's geomagnetic field, creating a ripple effect across the cosmos and influencing life on our planet. Solar flares and coronal mass ejections can send streams of charged particles toward Earth, affecting our planet's magnetic field and causing geomagnetic storms. These storms can disrupt communication systems, power grids, and even influence weather patterns. The cosmic ballet of planetary alignments and their influence on the Sun is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our solar system and the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth.